Today I'll show you how to set up a Discord server. This one is for those who are new to Discord and just want a little bit of guidance. So when you're inside the Discord program, hit the plus icon on the top left hand corner of the screen. From the pop-up menu, you can choose from various templates and we are just going to create our own. Next, you want to name your server and upload an image, then hit create. That's it. Your server is made. Now you have the options to invite people to your Discord using the shareable link. This invite link will expire in 7 days unless you choose to let it never expire. The personalization options for your server are incredibly vast, so I will not spend time going over each and every option in detail in this video. However, briefly, we can see in overview that we have options to mute users, change the server to text or voice chat, set welcome messages when people join the channel, and a lot more. Roles will allow you to assign roles to various members of the server and set privileges or restrictions as you see fit for a certain role. Then you can also create special emojis and stickers used for your server specifically. The possibilities are truly vast when it comes to creating your Discord server. I hope that this video helped you create your first server. If you found this content helpful, give us a like and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.